Hi everyone! Want to remove unwanted elements from your AI art? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use a negative prompts in StarryAI to get a cleaner, more refined results, even if you're a beginner. So let's get started. First, what is a negative prompt? Negative prompt tells you or tells the AI what you don't want to appear in your image. It's a powerful way to avoid things like unwanted colors, extra limbs or distorted faces, background elements like text, watermark, or buildings. And where to add a negative prompts in StarryAI? All you need to do first is to open the StarryAI app or website, then tap Create and type your main prompt. Then here you can now scroll down and find the negative prompt box. Enter the elements you want to avoid, like this example prompt here. And why use negative prompts? Because the negative prompts improves the quality and focus of your image. It prevents the image, weird or irrelevant elements, and it saves the credits by reducing a trial and error, and it helps you get exactly what you imagined. And here are the example extra negative prompt ideas. And that's it. That's how you use a negative prompts in StarryAI to take full control over your creations. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more AI art tips. Thanks for watching.